and welcome back to a brand new episode of Planet Bollywood. मैं हूं Manish, your guide to all the latest from the world of Bollywood and social media. Before I begin today's episode, let me remind you guys to check out our Zoom Facebook page for all the updates about your favorite beat-down celebrities. And on that note, let's take a look at our top stories.
Bollywood celebrities enjoy a happy Diwali with their family and loved ones. Throwback to Bollywood's best festive looks last year. Bollywood celebrities who accidentally reveal secret love lives of their colleagues. Bollywood's 5 most beautiful celebrity homes. Bollywood star kids and the lavish gifts that they have received.
Hi guys, this is Kareena Khan wishing you all a very happy Diwali.
Wishing everyone a happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali. Happy Diwali. Happy Diwali. Happy Diwali. Happy Diwali, sir. Happy Diwali, sir.
If there is one town that knows how to celebrate festivals in a grand fashion, it's none other than B-Town. Bollywood celebrities had a memorable celebration during the Festival of Lights. As expected on Diwali, everyone dressed up in their festive best and went on to share their celebrations on social media. Check it out.
दिवाली पे बॉलीवुड में जगमगाए खुशियों के दिए. Unlike last year, इस साल most celebrities opted for intimate house parties and family get-togethers. B-Town couples made sure to spend this festival together, and whether it's Kareena Saif, Priyanka Nick, Deepika Ranveer, Malaika and Arjun or Sanjay Dutt and his wife Manyata, ये दिवाली वाकई प्यार और अपनेपन से रोशन है. Saif Kareena, Malaika Arjun. Saif Ali Khan and Arjun Kapoor are in Dharamshala to start shooting for Bhoot Police, and their lady loves joined them to celebrate this special festival.
Wishing everyone a happy Diwali.
From Bhoot Police.
Kareena shared pictures of herself with her bestie Malaika Arora and a cozy picture of herself, Saif and Taimur snuggling together by a fireside. Kareena's pregnancy glow is enough to light up a room, but looks like Bebo is thoroughly enjoying the festive season with her loved ones.
Hi guys, this is Kareena Khan wishing you all a very happy Diwali.
Priyanka Chopra and Nick Jonas. Priyanka has been in LA since March, and while PC has resumed shoot and traveling, she hasn't been able to come to India this whole year. But that didn't stop the Desi girl from dressing up in a gorgeous sari and sharing a loved-up picture with husband Nick Jonas, holding diyas and sharing a romantic moment as they celebrated Diwali together. Deepika Ranveer. दीपिका और रणवीर सिंह के लिए तो दुगनी खुशी का मौका था क्योंकि दिवाली के साथ-साथ it was also their second wedding anniversary. The couple didn't disappoint their fans who love seeing romantic pictures of the two of them and posted photos that seem to have been taken during their wedding for their anniversary and a separate snap where the two of them are in their festive best as they wish their fans a happy Diwali. Ranbir Alia. Though Ranbir is not on social media and Alia didn't share any couple pictures, it seems कि Alia और Ranbir ने दिवाली एक साथ ही मनाई. Several pictures were circulating on social media where the couple was seen posing separately but at the same venue with members from their staff. Alia also shared a solo picture of herself looking stunning in a special pink lehenga which has been embroidered by children. Shahid Meera, Sanjay Manyata. Shahid Kapoor and his wife Meera also shared pictures together with Shahid taking time off from the shoot of Jersey to spend time with his wife and kids for Diwali. Even Sanjay Dutt, who had recently suffered a health setback, made sure to celebrate Diwali with wife Manyata in Dubai, where he was joined by Malayalam actor Mohanlal, who was also filming in the city. Amitabh Bachchan, Shah Rukh Khan and Salman Khan wished their fans and followers on social media with special Diwali posts. While these superstars seem to have stayed home to celebrate the festival, Shah Rukh Khan's friend Karan Johar was spotted attending a Diwali house party that also had Ananya Pandey attending in a pretty pink lehenga. Janhvi and Khushi Kapoor were spotted at their office looking stunning in a yellow sari and a blue lehenga. It was also a low-profile but special Diwali for Bollywood, which has faced multiple setbacks this year due to the pandemic and extended lockdown. हम यही उम्मीद करते हैं कि दिवाली के दियों की रोशनी अब सबकी लाइफ में पीस और प्रॉस्पेरिटी ले आए. The festive season just went by, unlike last year when Bollywood celebrities stepped out in their finest saris, suits and lehengas. Is saal most chose to stay indoors or have small private celebrations with just immediate family.
While fans in the media usually wait for festivals and celebrations to see their favorite Bollywood stars in their Indian finery, this year we didn't get a chance to have that who wore what conversation. However, instead of moping, we have decided why not go into throwback mode and remember who the best dressed celebrities last year were. Take a look.
Kareena and Saif. While Kareena can rock even a t-shirt and a pair of jeans, the actor chose an unusual combination of colors last year when she attended high-profile parties during the festive season with her equally dapper and sharply dressed husband Saif Ali Khan. Kareena was spotted in a dark grey lehenga which she paired with a green and gold dupatta and traditional jewelry. Minimalistic and stunning. That's Bebo style. Shah Rukh and Gauri Khan. Shah Rukh and Gauri made a dashing couple when they attended a party together last year. Shah Rukh looked handsome as ever in an all-black kurta pajama set, while Gauri wore an intricately designed floor-length white anarkali with a lightweight peach dupatta that she draped around her shoulders. Janhvi Kapoor. Janhvi has inherited her mother's classic Indian good looks, and the young actor looks stunning in traditional Indian outfits. She looks particularly great in lehengas that only accentuate her femininity and charm. Janhvi wore an embroidered golden lehenga which she paired with a sequenced blouse and kept her accessories absolutely minimal, allowing the outfit to shine. Katrina Kaif. The stunning Katrina was spotted in a red and gold lehenga with lots of intricate embroidery along the borders. Katrina, who looks fabulous in red, accessorized this eye-catching ensemble with just a pair of earrings, and her natural glowing skin was only enhanced by the beauty of the festive red color. Sonam Kapoor Ahuja. Sonam Kapoor is Bollywood's bona fide fashionista, and she always manages to make heads turn with her sartorial choices. The actor was seen dressed in a gorgeous white sharara that she paired with a floor-length embroidered jacket. Sonam added a Rajput-style matha patti and lots of heavy kundan jewelry to look effortlessly stunning as always. बॉलीवुड के स्टार किड्स ऐसे सेलिब्रिटीज हैं जो फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में कदम रखने से पहले ही पॉपुलर फेसेस में गिने जाते हैं। सबसे ज्यादा आईबॉल्स तो ये स्टार किड्स तब अट्रैक्ट करते हैं जब इनके सुपरस्टार पेरेंट्स इनको सरप्राइज करते हैं विद लैविश गिफ्ट्स। आइए डालते हैं नजर कुछ ऐसे गिफ्ट्स पर जिनके बारे में जानकर यू विल बी टेकन बाय सरप्राइज।
Fans always envy the luxurious lives that Bollywood stars live and the lifestyle goals that they set for others. But have you ever wondered that the children of these stars are no less glamorous? Bollywood star kids are used to luxurious lives of pampering by their parents, and there's a reason why they're called star kids. Even though they are not stars, they continue to be talking points on social media, and sometimes it's just for the gifts that they receive from their parents. Check it out.
सैफ और करीना के लिटिल मंचकिन तैमूर अली खान ने रिसीव किया एक lavish gift even before his first birthday. The Nawab had gifted a swanky red Jeep to Taimur that even had a baby seat attached to it. करीना की न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट ऋतुजा दिवेकर ने गिफ्ट की डेफिनेशन ही चेंज कर दी when she gifted an entire 1000 square foot forest to Taimur, which is now being named as Taimur Ali Khan Pataudi Forest. बच्चन परिवार की प्रिंसेस आराध्या as her first birthday gift received a red BMW Mini Cooper S and a holiday home in Dubai. उस हॉलिडे होम की कीमत है approximately 54 crores. बॉलीवुड के किंग खान के छोटे बेटे अब्राम हैज अ डिजाइनर हाउस इन द ट्रीज. शाहरुख खान रोप्ड इन डिजाइनर साबू सिरिल, जिन्होंने उनके घर मन्नत को भी डिजाइन किया था, टू बिल्ड अ लैविश ट्री हाउस विद बालकनीज, स्टेयर्स एंड मिनिएचर फर्नीचर फॉर अब्राम. Karan Johar के twins Yash and Ruhi were gifted their own designer room by the veteran filmmaker. और इस रूम का डिजाइन और किसी ने नहीं बल्कि केजो के बेस्ट फ्रेंड शाहरुख की वाइफ गौरी खान ने किया है.
Yash, you want to see Dada's movies? Kuch Kuch Hota and all? What? But why? Why? Please see Dada's movies. He's walked away like the critics.
शाहिद कपूर और मीरा राजपूत कपूर की बेटी मीशा was gifted a lavish London trip on her first birthday by her doting parents. शाहिद और मीरा की ये छोटी छोटी बातें बनाती हैं उन्हें one of the cutest family in B-Town. Bollywood celebrities are often given titles like King, Shehenshah, Badshah, Queen, Superstar, Nawab, जो जाहिर है कि उनके घर किसी महल से कम नहीं होंगे. So who has the most luxurious and glamorous homes in Bollywood?
Success in Bollywood is equal parts of hard work and constantly projecting the right kind of image. From wearing the most coveted brands, attending the right parties and events, and of course, living at a premium address and in a home that make people just sufficiently envious. These are 5 Bollywood celebrities who have homes that all of us would love to live in. Check it out.
Number 1. Anushka Virat. Anushka Sharma owns a 7,000 square foot apartment on the 35th floor of a residential building in Worli. Given Virat's passion for fitness, their home has an in-house gym, while Anushka's love for nature is evident from the greenery we saw in their sprawling sea-facing balcony. The couple's simplicity is reflected by the whitewashed walls and minimalistic decor that is designed to create a comfortable home for the couple who come back home from work and travel to spend quality time with each other. Number 2. Mannat. शाहरुख खान किंग खान भी हैं और बादशाह भी. So naturally his home is a modern day palace in Mumbai. Shah Rukh's sea-facing bungalow is a landmark in Mumbai and a popular tourist attraction as well. Originally a heritage structure from the 1920s, Mannat ko refurbish kiya hai to include a mini theatre, multiple bedrooms, a swimming pool, library and an in-house elevator system. Gauri Khan has also shared a glimpse of her walk-in closet with floor-to-ceiling shelves that hold her enviable collection of shoes. Safe to say, we definitely are jealous. Number 3. Bebo and Saif's royal lifestyle. Kareena married a real-life Nawab, so it's natural that their home is regal too. The couple lives in a 4-story apartment in Bandra currently, but are planning to move into an even bigger home before their second baby arrives. Their current home has a sprawling library and entertainment area, a gym, multiple bedrooms and a gorgeous terrace garden where we saw Taimur painting during the lockdown. Number 4. Salman Khan's Panvel farmhouse. While Salman lives in the same building in Bandra jahan wo bade hue and has a modest-sized apartment to himself in the city, whenever he needs a break from the hustle and bustle of Mumbai, the actor travels to his sprawling farmhouse in Panvel. During the lockdown, we got lots of glimpses of the vast open spaces, state-of-the-art gym, swimming pool, and the long driveways and greenery. Given Salman's love for animals, he even has stables of horses and a horse riding ring. Now that is definitely impressive. Number 5. Amitabh Bachchan. Amit ji की तो बात ही निराली है. The Shahenshah owns not 1 or 2 but 4 bungalows in Mumbai. Jalsa, Pratiksha, Janak and Batsa. Jalsa is the Bachchan family home, and from images on social media, we can see it's decorated with mirrors, chandeliers, luxurious carpets, and vintage furniture. Timeless and elegant, just like the family who lives there.
और अब वक्त है एक छोटा सा ब्रेक लेने का, but don't go anywhere, we are coming right back.
सेलिब्रिटी कपल्स इन बॉलीवुड अपनी रिलेशनशिप को छुपाने के लिए क्या कुछ नहीं करते, फिर भी कई बार ईदर पैपरात्सी की वजह से या फिर किसी और स्टार के स्लिप अप की वजह से अक्सर प्यार की पोल खुल जाती है.
One of the most used phrases in Bollywood, which is almost never true, is "we are just good friends." There are very few Bollywood couples who have been upfront about their relationships. Most choose to have secret dates or holidays abroad where they travel together but share just solo pictures. Very often we see rumored couples dancing and enjoying together at parties, but ना वो साथ आते हैं ना जाते हैं. लेकिन इन सारे precautions के बावजूद लोगों को उनकी feelings का पता चल ही जाता है. So कौन है ये couples जिनकी love story के राज उनके colleagues ने reveal कर दिए? Check it out.
Number 1. Kiara Advani and Siddharth Malhotra. This good-looking couple has often been spotted together, and the rumors of them being in a serious relationship are also quite strong. Recently, when they made an appearance together to promote their film Lakshmi, Akshay ne sare doubts clear kar diye when he teased Kiara by saying, "ये बड़ी सिद्धांतों वाली लड़की है." Number 2. Ananya Pandey is not single. Ananya Pandey is one of the most popular young stars in Bollywood, but अगर अभिमन्यु दसानी की माने तो single boys खाली पीले उन्हें chase कर रहे हैं. When asked if he would date Ananya Pandey, Abhimanyu replied, "I don't think she's single." Oops, Ananya, your secret is out. Number 3. Vicky and Katrina outed by Nick Jonas. Nick Jonas was attending a holy party with wife Priyanka, and the singing sensation took a video of the lavish holy party that he was at. But what he didn't know at the time was that उन्होंने Vicky Kaushal और Katrina Kaif को एक साथ डांस करते हुए फिल्म कर दिया था, and that was the first time we realized कि Kaif and Kaushal are more than just good friends. Number 4. Priyanka confirmed Malaika Arora and Arjun Kapoor romance. Remember that casting coup that Karan pulled off when he had Kareena and Priyanka on his strictly gossip-oriented show? While it was nice to see Kareena and Priyanka not discuss accent problems, Priyanka ended up making a faux pas when she admitted to knowing about Malaika Arora and Arjun Kapoor dating each other. She and Nick seem truly made for each other in this pole kholna department.
And with that, guys, we come to the end of another episode of Planet Bollywood. We will be back again very soon, same time, same place, with all the latest from the world of Bollywood and social media. Until then, you guys keep updated with your favorite celebrities on our Zoom Facebook page. I'll see you guys again very soon. Until then, ciao.